Hello my viewers, welcome to this synthetic indices trading course. In this course I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know about synthetic indices trading. Whether you are new to trading as a whole or you have learned how to trade currency pair, stock or commodities and you want to know how to trade synthetic indices, this course is the best option for you and you are at the right place, because in this course I will be introducing you to what synthetic indices is, how it differs from normal currency pair or stock or cryptocurrency, and how you can get started trading it. I'm going to be introducing you to some of the brokers that will allow you to trade synthetic indices instruments like volatility 75 index, boom and crash indices, step index. But I'll introduce you to most of the indices instruments that I normally trade profitably and then show you how you can do that for yourself. So having said that, let's get started. So before we move on, I would like to introduce you to who I am and why I am the right person to teach you how to trade synthetic indices. Okay, my name is Cornelius and you are watching me right here on my channel called Forex Giant. My journey with synthetic indices in trading started in the days of my university with my friend. After learning how to trade currency pair for a while, we explored synthetic indices trading with Deriv, which is the broker that majorly offers most of the synthetic indices I'm going to teach you about in this video. So we explored trading with Deriv and we saw so many advantages that synthetic indices trading has over normal currency pair, and ever since then we have migrated our major trading from normal currency pair to synthetic indices trading. Some people may argue that normal currency pair is better than synthetic indices trading, but for me, I know that there is individuality to every game. So what might be good for me might not be the better option for you. But in this video, later in this video, I'm going to highlight the differences between synthetic indices trading and currency pair trading so that you see the advantages that this one has over the other, and also the advantages that normal currency pair has over synthetic indices. But the major purpose of this course is to teach you everything you need to know about synthetic indices trading. Ever since I started trading synthetic indices, I've made so many marks in the game. I have been invited to join different conferences about these synthetic indices. I've been to the Deriv conference in Lagos, Nigeria here. I've also been to Deriv conferences in Enugu, Nigeria here, even more than 1-2 times. So in this course, I'm going to be pouring down my years of experience in synthetic indices and be guiding you on everything you need to know about synthetic indices trading. And that's all for the introduction of this course. And for the sake of clarity, I'll be making every video in this course very short. So in the next video, I'll be walking you through the outline of this course so that you get to know what you'll be expecting for this course before diving in. So having said that, stick around and check out the next video.